Hey, this is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So today I'm going to be featuring our new Couture Inks from Chalk Couture. I'm going to be doing a coffee mug design for you today. And I just bought this mug at a local store, and then I'm going to use our Humble and Kind bee transfer, and then I'm going to be using our brand new Couture Inks. Now the inks come in 15 different colors, but I'm just going to be using our shimmering copper today and then our black. Now I will tell you the ink consistency is definitely different than the chalk paste. It's a lot thinner, so this goes on super quick and easy for you, and the process is still the same. So you'll fuzz your transfer, apply it to your surface. You want to make sure there are no air bubbles within the screen print so there's no bleeding, and then you just go ahead and apply your Couture ink. Now this is a definitely longer dry time, and you need a heating element to set this and make it permanent. So for this design I'm just going to put this in the oven, but you could definitely do t-shirts, dish towels, a little tote bag, and you could make yourself a gorgeous pillow. So stay tuned to see all the beautiful designs I'm going to be creating. So I'm just going to finish this up, and once again the transfers clean up the same process. You're going to use water and Clorox wipes to reuse them again for future use. Now this cup I'm done with, so I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 350 and bake it for 30 minutes, and that makes it permanent. So then I'll be able to hand wash this or put this in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. So if you'd love to learn more about everything you could create using Chalk Couture products, chalkinwithjen.com is my website. I hope you love the end result. Have a good day.